Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix you can't send messages for 3 days. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, go back to the home screen and then open up the settings app and then scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on date and time and then tap on set automatically, turn it off and then tap on this and then today is 25 day and you want to tap on this 29 and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is open up settings and then scroll down, tap on general and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings and then give your iPhone passcode and then reset network setting and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is tap on the general, again tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset all settings and then give your passcode and then reset all settings. This will reset all settings, not the 10 video will be deleted. So check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is fixed, go for the next one. Next one is open up Instagram app and then tap on this profile and then tap on 3 lines, tap on settings and then tap on help. As you can see guys, is report a problem. Tap on this and then turn it off. Ask photos to report a problem and then tap on report a problem and then tap on this and give your report. Giving this one, I'm copy from the WhatsApp as you can see guys, this one and then give it and then tap on this upload and then give your screenshot you're showing this error and then tap on this send. Your request sent to the Instagram team and Instagram team help you. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You have any problem, let me in the comment. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.